Welcome back. I'm going to make this video out of anger. I'm pretty ticked off right now, and you're going to see when I'm done this clip, I'll show you a picture exactly why I'm upset. I don't even like this person. He's a pretty nasty person as it is. Messing around, mostly. But what really makes me mad is some idiot sold a guy some french fries, and I understand it's probably not his culture, so he probably doesn't really know that much better. But they looked like shit. I mean, they weren't even cooked. There's barely any sauce or anything on there, just dripped with a little bit, and it's, what the hell is this supposed to be? It looks like garbage. So, I am going to make some french fries. And because I also kind of really want some tonight anyways, and these potatoes aren't going to go well. They aren't going to stay very well. So I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade french fries. Really, really easy. Now, first off, we don't need to peel. It's a waste of time. I don't like peeling. It's kind of takes a long time to do, and also Amy has issues with her iron. So you know what? This is going to save us a little bit of time. So I mean, it's for health-wise, you're better off just not bothering to peel. If you got some defects on the potatoes, just cut them out. And yeah, we don't buy store-bought french fries unless they're like really dirt cheap. If they're dirt cheap, fine. Then that's not a big deal. Because honestly, then I don't mind to. But usually buying your potatoes, or it's cheaper to buy potatoes.
Yeah.
So, why waste your money on paying top dollar for french fries when you make it yourself? There's no chemicals on it. There's nothing on it that you're not going to really like. So I'm going to take a bowl, and we're going to put some water in there. Why? Because we're going to get rid of some of the starch. At the end of the day, it's going to help make better fries. Now, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. We got Amy here with us today. She's got to go to work tonight, so I want to make sure before she leaves she's going to have something really good to eat. Now you can buy gadgets to make perfectly good fries, and if having perfect fries is appealing to you, then hey, why not?
Yeah.
When we go out to eat and we're presented with, fries that don't look like they came out of a frozen McKean's bag, and McKean's is a potato company that makes french fries, for those who are asking. If it looks like somebody out back has made the fries by hand, then I'm pretty happy with that. Then someone's made the effort took the effort to make something really fresh for you. If you walk into a restaurant and you're paying top dollar and you see frozen fries sitting there, I don't appreciate that. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. Look at our website, www.poulskitchen.com. We do have some cookbooks on there. We'd appreciate you taking a look at those. They are free. We do not ask for money. However, you can feel free to donate. We also appreciate that, but we're not going to sit here and try to demand money from you too. That should be good enough for both of us, don't you think, Amy?
Yeah.
So leaving them in the water is going to help clean them. It's also going to help get rid of the starches, and it'll taste better. It really will. So we're going to leave this out here for a good 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes, and then we'll be back and we'll show you what we're going to do next. And we're back. So I'm going to make a special chili sauce since chili sauce seems to have been an important part of this person's meal. So we got some leftover spaghetti sauce. It's a garlic spaghetti sauce that we had from yesterday's pizza that we made. Yeah, we made homemade pizza. We do that every now and again. I'm using an air fryer. If you're going to use your stove, that's fine. Preheat it. Always better to preheat. So there's going to be a special little sauce that we're going to make for this. I'm going to put maybe 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. You're going to have to buy more of this one. And about a tablespoon's worth of onion powder. I'm going to put a little bit of thyme in it. Why not? A tablespoon of thyme, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of chili powder. Yeah, we'll use 2. You want to make this a little hot. I said a little bit. I'm going to put now this is Indian chilies. So you want to be careful of that because that is going to be super hot.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to use about a tablespoon of smoldering applewood. So now we're going to mix this up here and we're going to wait until it starts bubbling. Then we're just going to turn it down for a little while. And one last thing we're going to do, we're going to add a drop of apple cider vinegar. We said at the same time. And I want to apologize for how I started the video, guys. It's a buddy of ours who we feel that he got ripped off at a restaurant. He's not from Canada. I'm not going to say where he's from, but he got totally ripped off. And to me, it's unacceptable that that this would even be a thing that we're even having a discussion about, because it's inappropriate. It really is. It's just not something that should ever have happened. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, which is good enough for me. But the point is when you do this, you want to clean this off and this full, so now it's just do a better job of putting this against the sink. But you can see like the white coating here.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks pretty disgusting. So these fries are going into a whole new container.
Should we turn that down?
Hold on a second. Alright, so now we're going to put this on 2. So I'm going to give Amy a little taste test to see what she thinks. Shouldn't be too hot right now.
Mmm. Oh, spicy. But it's good.
Just going to put this on 2. Alright, so here are the fries. And we're just basically preheating the oven. And it's probably going to need about 20 minutes. I'm just pour a little oil on here.
The air fryer?
For the air fryer. The air fryer shouldn't be too long. Gonna add some more onion powder on here. Some garlic powder. Some fresh ground black pepper. Now here's the thing. Do not put any salt on here. 0 salt. This does not need salt, because salt would really kill this a lot. We want to drag the moisture out of it, not into it. So the more you put salt into this, it's not going to be crispy at all. Now, if you want this to look like restaurant style, the one thing you are going to have to do is you're going to have no choice, but you're going to have to. I'm going to put a little bit of smoked paprika. It's about a tablespoon of everything. And then the last thing is Cajun spice. You have to deep fry it to get the exact consistency that a air fryer is going to do. And that's fine. If you want to do that, you go ahead. We don't like that. I'm just going to take a spoon here and just try to mix this really well. Now, I advise the stove or the air fryer. I wouldn't deep fry it just because it's not going to Now that's chili sauce. Wow. Alright, I think we're done for that. It's good enough here. Okay, so that's pretty even. So, honestly, you say that you can't do something because it's too hard to do or you can't bother yourself to do it?
It's easy.
This wasn't hard.
No.
This was super, super easy.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to set the timer for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to turn it. We're just going to make sure it's completely done cooking before we move on. So, again, please hit that like, share, subscribe button, and we'll be back. And we're back. So, come on over here.
Oh, yummy.
These are nice and crispy. So I'm gonna grab 2 bowls. I'm not eating right away. Well, Amy might eat right away, but I'm going to.
I am.
So we're just gonna put some into a bowl here. I use tongs. Amy likes using thongs. Oh, wait a minute. Was I not supposed to say that out loud? So, Mr. A, check this out. They're nice and crispy. Do they look exactly like what you had? No, because they didn't come out of a freezer.
No, they're homemade.
They're homemade, and yeah, we did leave the skins on, and that's intentional. And honestly, I think they're going to taste great.
I think they're going to be really good.
And that's with our homemade chili sauce. It's going to be great. It's going to taste amazing. And really, if you can't make these, you got problems. These are easy.
Easy.
Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Bake for 10 minutes. Take them out, flip them, bake for another 10 minutes. Should be done. If not, leave them go a little longer. Not a big deal. But just grab a fork. And that's all you need. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Visit us on www.poulskitchen.com. Check it out, and we hope you enjoy everything. Have a great day.